Hey guys, I'm here with a new video. It's regarding the basics of dentistry. So let's get started. So, what is dentistry? It is the branch of healing arts concerned with teeth, oral cavity, and associated structures, including prevention, diagnosis, treatment of a disease, and restoration of the defective or missing tooth or tissue. So, the dentistry definition itself is very clear that it's not only teeth and it is also the associated structures. So the next is dentition, primary dentition, mixed dentition, secondary dentition. These are the three types of dentition. So the primary dentition is seen in children and it's most commonly known as milk tooth. Mixed dentition, it is the stage at which both deciduous and permanent tooth are erupted in the oral cavity. Secondary dentition, it is the stage in which all the secondary tooth are erupted. So there are 32 tooth in number and 16 in the maxilla, 16 in the mandible. So next is the tooth numbering system. So tooth numbering system is to identify a tooth in relation to the midline and the arches, and it's also helpful in documentation of the data. So the ideal requirement of a tooth numbering system is it must be easily communicable, easily translated into a computer data, simple to understand and teach, easy to adapt in standard charts in dental practice. So there are three types of tooth numbering system: universal system, Federation Dental International, Zsigmondy and Palmer notation. So the first is universal system of tooth numbering. So the numbering starts from upper right third molar and ends with lower right third molar in a clockwise direction. In this system, each tooth is assigned a unique number or alphabet. So a number given to one tooth is not given to the another tooth. So if third molar is named as A, upper right third molar is named as A, the lower right the third molar is not named as A, another alphabet is given. So and there are two types. So in primary teeth we name it as alphabets, and in the permanent dentition we say it as numbers. So it's in permanent dentition it starts from 1 to 32. So the number is not repeated, each tooth is given a specific number, and use of this system in verbal communication is possible, but memorizing becomes a bit difficult without practice. And another point which I forgot to say is that each system has its own advantages and disadvantages. Nothing is inferior or nothing is superior, it's all according to the use. And FDA tooth numbering system, so it is the most commonly accepted and followed in many countries. Each tooth is given a 2-digit number. The first number indicates the arch, dentition and the quadrant. The second digit indicates the position of the tooth relative to the midline. So it is the ideal system for verbal communication, visual sense, and more further suitable for computer processing. And for example, if the upper right third molar, it is named as 5 in primary dentition, and in secondary dentition it's named as 1/8. So each quadrant is given each number, and to avoid confusion and to have a clear idea about the quadrant and which where the tooth lies. So the next is the Zsigmondy Palmer notation. So the Palmer notation is the most commonly used notation by a dentist to associate information to a specific tooth. Originally termed as Zsigmondy after the Australian dentist Adolph Zsigmondy, later it was modified by Palmer and hence named as Zsigmondy Palmer notation. This system is simple, easy to use, most often used by clinicians since the quadrant symbols are same for the permanent and deciduous dentition. So the major drawback is the system is inability to record in the conventional keyboard input. Verbally it is not possible to use this system. So each system has its own advantages and disadvantages, as I said before. So the most commonly used is Federation Dental International, since each quadrant is given each number and it is very easy to identify the quadrant and which where the tooth lies. So I hope this video was useful to these guys. I'll be just uploading basics in dentistry so that you guys can just know what is dentistry and how to learn. So thank you. Keep supporting my channel.